GST registration mandatory for MSMEs? Hello, my name is Chaitanya Babu and I am Company Secretary from Chennai. In this video, we will be able to relate MSME with GST and we will come to know whether it is compulsory or not to register with GST for compulsory to hold the status as MSME. For this, we need to know the notification issued by Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises on 26th of June 2020. Ministry has brought many procedural changes in this notification. Let us see the main changes.
Number 1. Introduction of Udyam registration process. 2. Migration of existing Udyog Aadhaar memorandum to Udyam registration. 3. Change in classification criteria. 4. Linked MSME registration with income tax PAN and GST registration number. 5th. Change the base for calculation of investment and turnover. We will post separate videos explaining each of the above changes. Now, an enterprise is classified into micro, small or medium based on its investment in plant and machinery and turnover. The notification said that turnover or exports turnover for an enterprise shall be linked to the income tax return or GST. Here, the ministry has made PAN and GST registration number compulsory, that is, it is mandatory. But under GST, the government has granted exemption to certain category of people, making them not compulsory to register under GST. Category of person not required to get registered under GST is given in section 23 of CGST Act. The following persons are not compulsorily required to get registered under GST. 1. First, a person not liable to pay GST. Second, agriculturalist. Third, persons providing services where service recipient is liable to pay GST under reverse charge. Fourth, person supplying handicrafts having turnover less than the registration applicable limit but making interstate supply. Fifth, job worker with turnover less than the registration applicable limit exempt from registration even if they made interstate supplies to registered person. Sixth, person making interstate supply of taxable services not required to register if aggregate turnover is less than the registration applicable limit. And the seventh point is a person supplying services through e-commerce operator not required to register if aggregate turnover is less than rupees 20 lakhs per annum, rupees 10 lakh in case of specified states. This relaxation is not applicable to supplier of goods. That means for e-commerce purpose, the relaxation which the service provider has got up to 20 lakhs, that is not available for supplier of goods. Most of the people registering as MSME will hardly touch the compulsorily registration requirement limit of GST. In this case, MSMEs, even if they are not liable to register under GST, if they want to register as an MSME, they have to compulsorily register with GST and obtain GST registration number. The very concept of MSME is to make small businesses grow by giving them support and reducing formalities, whereas here GST doesn't require compulsorily registration, but to become MSME, this increases burden on small businesses procedurally as they need to file GST returns on time, as well as the cost of their products and services will go up due to the GST effect. Taking the above into consideration, Ministry of MSME has issued a notification on 5th March 2021 to alter para 5 of the notification dated 26/6/2020 by including subpara 4 stating that the exemption from the requirement of having GST registration number shall be as per the provisions of CGST Act. That means if the person is not liable to registered under GST, then for him that will not be that will not be a requirement to get registered as MSME. Finally, the Ministry of MSME has removed the compulsory requirement of GST registration for those who are not required to register with GST. The Ministry of MSME has taken a very logical move and made simple the life of many MSMEs. That's all for now. If you like this video, press like button. Subscribe the channel to see further videos like this. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our next video. Thank you and have a good day.